Well, good morning, folks. We're out here at Tia Maria. It's an exciting day for us. They're actually pouring the second floor. I can hear the concrete trucks in the background. Pumps are starting to get set up, and we want to head over and check out what's going on. So follow along, and we'll see what's how the pour is going. You can see the big concrete pump right now. They've already started. They're getting set up right now for the pour. Had to work it through the electrical wires here. Had to jackknife it in at almost a complete 90 to get it in. There's Dave. Morning, Dave. Looks like it's going to be a good day today.
Yep, hopefully.
Looks like they got one truck already poured, huh?
5 cubic down. This one's a 10 cubic.
So what do we got ordered today? How many?
30.
30? Think that's going to be enough?
Hope so, yeah. If not, we can job mix some, or we can ask for another 5 if we need quite a bit more.
Well,
if it's a bit too much, we'll dump it down the side of the house. Well, we got big trenches down there for the excavation, so that'll go there.
Okay. Well, I'm going to head up on the roof and get a bird's eye view there.
Mind your step.
Yes, sir. Safety first.
Okay. Yep.
And you can see the big beam there, head on the roof. Big pouring beam that we got set up. Head up on this high-end quality ladder they got set up here. Morning, guys.
Morning.
Concrete day, huh? You see they've already got that first truck set up. Let me back off over here. Give these guys some room. Oops, ship. This should go pretty fast today with the trucks they've got set up. You can already tell they've already hit that lanai area and they're pulling back.
It ended up at exactly 30, I think, at Summit Point, didn't it?
Yeah, it was right at 30, but they had to, with half a truck at the end or something, you had to mix it. Yeah.
We'll see. If it's a small amount, we'll job mix it, otherwise we'll pull up another 5. I don't want to leave the balcony area for long.
I was happy we're having some good weather. Weather's compliant today. Yesterday they got that surprise.
It's raining yesterday afternoon.
Yeah. It wasn't supposed to happen either.
We have got some clouds coming in from that side.
That's what I told them. We got at least another couple good hours of pour.
We can get 4 hours of this before any rain hits. We're okay. We should know 10 or 15 minutes in advance. We can then bring the blue stacking sheet.
I think our luck's going to hold today. I'm betting it will. Big day right here for me. When will you start working on that first floor after you've gone up with your tomorrow you're gonna start pouring it? You're gonna start
some CHP. What I want to do tomorrow, and while we're waiting for the hollow block delivery to come, we'll use up the blocks we have, which are over there. 2 blocks over there and 1 over here. The others are on order. So we'll use those up and lay out the floor. 1 row or 2 rows laying out the floor, and then we'll do some work downstairs. Start looking at the floor down there. We can level out the ground down there. We can do that area by area.
They're just finishing up the second truck right now. We've got the end of 15 yards that are being put down right now. I think we're only going to need 10 more. They originally had 30, so you're looking at about 25 maybe. Actually covering more than they had anticipated. I've seen a lot of finished concrete work in the States, my younger days, but one thing I don't see very good quality of finish work on cement is an art. It takes a long time to really get down, learn well, and I've never really seen some high-end finishes down here. I'm sure they exist, and I'm sure they've got a lot of skilled guys here, but my limited scope of what I've seen, not been too impressed with the initial finish of concrete. Most of it's hand mixed versus a big pour like this, because it's really expensive to bring these trucks in and stuff. But still, that's on the individual cement or the masonry guys that do the finish work. And they don't have to have it perfect, because the way they do the wet pack on the tiles, it sure would be nice to see a really clean finished floor like you see in the States or some of the different countries like the UK and stuff. You see the beautiful finishes that they have on their floors. A lot of times in the States, they're going to that industrial look where they actually finish the concrete, polish it out and color it and finish it, and don't put down any tile at all, because it looks so nice. A lot of the warehouses where I worked at in the past, the big warehouses, there were over 1 million square feet, had that done. And not only was that stuff strong and pretty much indestructible, it was really pleasant to look at too. I was surprised how nice it was. Wouldn't have mind had it done for some of the parts of the house even. And some people do have it done that way. If you're into that industrial look. Sky's starting to darkening up a little bit. I'm hoping that we need about 4 hours from the time the concrete is poured to you're out of the danger zone as far as having any type of issues with your cement. And I'm hoping, in fact, that stays true and our luck holds out. Got my fingers crossed. I think it will. So I hope it goes that way. They're doing the clean out on this last truck here with the existing cement that's in there. And they're going to ask for that next truck. I think they're going to cut it off because I think 25 is going to be the magic number for yards being put down here. You heard Dave. The next step is that they'll do they'll form the first block of first 1 or 2 concrete hollow blocks around the entire house. Start forming out the rooms, and they get started on that. Then they'll have a design and a shape of what they need, and then they're going to switch downstairs, try to get that the ground floor, get that all tamped down, leveled out, and go ahead and start the construction there with the details they need, and to put the kitchen in, start doing the finishing on all the electrical conduits, getting ready for the AC. Ton of stuff to do downstairs. Sounds like they're calling break. So we'll shut this off and wait for that next truck to show up while these guys continue on. You can see they've got a lot done today, man, and hardly any time at all. Looks like an hour, less than an hour, I'd say, that they got. They've poured 2/3 of this roof with the lanai, which is over here, which will be the last part that they'll save. Right now, they're just working on getting in that finish, doing the finish on the back portion of it where the concrete's already been poured. So, I know I keep saying it, folks, but awesome day. Awesome day. They just finished pouring. That last truck just came in, putting down those 5 cubics square meters that they need to put down here. So you can see right now they're completely done with the roof. They just need to go ahead and do the finish work on it right now to get it level, get it smooth, get that quality finish that we talked about earlier. A little bit of clouds coming in, but we look like we're still good. You hit that 4-hour mark with that cement being laid down. Right now they're talking about they've got excess cement in that truck and they want to put it to good use. So they've got some areas along the fence line there that's gonna work out well. They can put it in some of the trenches too, because the foundation is really deep, and that they can afford the extra fill there too. There's plenty of places to put that. Excavator's been working all morning. He's been working on clearing. Our neighbors, Angie's they've been working on that section over there, taking some of that industrial waste, or I should say industrial trash, not more than waste, but getting that all sorted up so it could be taken away. We're gonna have a lot of stuff over on our lot too. But mostly now they're working on that, getting that concrete leveled out. So it was 30 cubic? So that, how much left was in that truck?
We got all the waste coming off the side there, washed out, we're going into the mixing tray. Just dumped it down the side.
Basically, the builder just...
Pump that up. It's laying there in the bottom.
Basically, the builder was telling me that they nailed it here with the measurement on that 30 cubic on the yards there. So they're going to take the waste that's in that truck now. They're just going to wash it out and use it for the footing. So that's a good deal all around for everybody. quite a bit different than the way they work in the United States. Don't mean to keep comparing. It's the only thing, but this is the only thing I have to compare to. Unlike Dave, who's been all over the world and seen builds in every place from Africa, United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, all over the world. Me, I've just seen the Philippines, Mexico, and down here in a lot of places in the U.S. But it's nice to know that they've got this job done. There's the guys, the Happy Crew, they just got paid, so they're all like, I'll thumb the all bucks up. Kuya! Kuya! They're counting all their money. That's a good day for them, man. Hey, finish the job, they get paid right on the spot. Nothing better than that. Everybody likes a payday. You see what I was talking about, the finish work up. These guys are actually struggling over there, and they should have been to get that stuff done. Normally that stuff should already been perfect by the time they got over here. They're having to add water to it, which is something you never see done. That's basically to fix something that should have been done right in the first place. Well, I'll get you guys a picture after all this stuff is set up in a day or two, and you can see the quality that I'm talking about. Thank God for the hard pack and the way it's laid down. It gives you an idea of what the tile can cover up. That's the same thing they do on the with these walls. That Plastico works as a filler, evener, kind of a leveler all around. That's why that stuff can be extremely thick and come to, it could be 2-3 inches on one side and come down to an inch on the other end of the wall to get it leveled out. That's what a lot of these guys will do. Hopefully Dave's walls are a little bit cleaner. Won't know till we get down further along the build. Look good now. But the only time it really tells when you get that finish coat on, especially if that finish coat's got some sheen to it. That really, you can't hide from that. Looks like they might have too much concrete here. You're gonna have to dump it on the side over here. I don't speak Tagalog very good, but there it goes. I figured that's what was going to happen. This is what happens when you get guys that don't have the experience and knowledge that some of the journeyman guys, journeyman masons do. Well, in the long run, it works itself out one way or another. Well, folks, looks like they've shut that pump off. They're getting ready to call it a wrap. What we could do is show you the finished product here after they finish laying this out. I'm sure you guys don't want to sit through this. It's not really exciting stuff watching this done. I'm excited, because it's something we've really been looking forward to. But this right here can give you a really good idea of what it's like here to get that second floor pour done. And when we come back next time, I can show you the finished product on that. Well, folks, this is Steve signing off out here. I think we're going to call it a day. Hopefully that weather, we see that dark weather coming in, but hopefully it's going to hold for a while. So we just wanted to say thanks again for the support that you guys have been giving us. If you have any questions or comments, please go ahead and leave them, and hit that subscribe button down there in the corner, and keep watching the videos, and we'll keep them rolling. Take care now, be safe, and God bless.